Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Nah, hari ini dingin-dingin, ada yang request mau makan rendang berkuah, tapi tetap namanya rendang berkuah. Ada yang bilang kari, ada yang bilang kalio, pokoknya namain aja deh. Nah, rendang ini bener-bener rendang kesukaan Ricci banget deh, udah menyatu di dalam hati. Sampai-sampai mertua saya atau ibu bapaknya itu dipanggil untuk datang ke sini makan rendang berkuah. Udah promosi duluan. Katanya enak banget, dagingnya lembut banget, katanya daging lembut. Ricci bilang, jadi mau nggak mau hari ini mertua datang, saya juga harus masak rendang berkuah ini. Nanti kita lihat bagaimana reaksi mereka, apakah mereka suka atau tidak. Saksikan videonya, oke?
The ghost is trying to get you. The ghost is already upset. He's coming this way. Downstairs, but he's coming this way. You run! Get out here! Come on.
Have you been looking for me?
This is why
No! He's coming! Get all of us! Get all of us! Yeah! Get all of us! Get all of us!
Can I put the chair down, please?
Alright, let's go on! No, get Grandma!
No, you get down.
Run! Run! Oh my God!
No.
Come on, you're the ghost! You're the ghost.
Oh, he's the ghost.
restoran. Oh.
A big rice. It's a mountain with some
Good.
fish.
You need to cut it with a knife, really.
Do you want the spaghetti?
I wanted to cut it for him. He said he didn't want it.
Oh, right. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go.
Have you spoke to your mum and dad lately?
Yes.
Today? Are they okay?
Yes, they're okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you do nothing. This is a dinosaur teeth. Oh, a dinosaur tooth. Granddad, look, a dinosaur tooth. That's licking. Look up. A dinosaur tooth.
Mm.
Look like a woolly llama.
Very nice. See? Mm.
Not what we've had.
Oh,
Like a stew.
like a stew.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want a tea or coffee?
That's it.
Tea, please.
What name should we call Granddad, Nanny?
Africa.
No, just call him Grandy.
Grandad.
What should we call me?
Dally.
You Dally.
Dally.
Dally
What should
Wally.
we call Nanny?
Nanny.
Nanny Wally.
Yeah, Nanny Wanny.
Dally Wally.
Dally Wally. Dally Wally.
Dally Wally. Dally Wally. Nanny. What's the name? Nanny Wally. Nanny Wally. Granny Wally.
Want to play a game?
They put a walk down the canal.
You want to walk? It's cold. It's cold.
The trouble is, if it's too sudden, yeah. Mummy, he doesn't want one. Close the fridge door, please.
Come on, this time. This is board. Rat, tat, tat, tat.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. It's wrong.
Want any more? No, that's fine.
I just forgot.
Oh, Mom would do the instructions.
Oh,
We
okay.
need 3 pieces. 3 on the bottom and 3 on the top. This is different. Like this. Hey, we're starting here. We're starting here.
Why don't you put second that way?
No, you can't.
Okay. Okay.
Now we need to put them all the way here. We need to do it in the middle. Mo tells you. Buy the instruction and put the instructions in the toilet.
In the toilet.
Yeah.
Don't rip it.
Well, let's see. Stack it all the way like this.
Mm-hmm.
And now that needs to be like that, but that's when you take it out. So you need to do it.
Two, three,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6. Okay, so Nanny's got to fetch out number 5. Get out.
Okay.
Here you are, if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done.
Get that out. the
No,
top
no,
of
no,
the-
no, 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 no. Uh-oh.
No, you can't do that.
What?
Only one finger.
So I've got to see where it's loose.
Oh, well done now. Oh, thank you.
Rendang, your favorite one.
I know, it's lovely.
Rendang kuah.
Rendang.
Kuah. Kuah. Ooh, very soft.
Very soft. Yeah. And then,
Yes, look, very soft.
and then I can have a
Donkey.
thank you.
Which one you like, with rice or with French fries?
I'll put it with rice, but French fries are okay for a can.
Ini punya saya, semuanya masuk. Ada nasi, ada rendang, dan ada french fries. Biasa bagian penutupan suka begitu. Sekarang saya makan dulu ya. Endolita, risotto. Yum.